Best drone. Today we're checking out 5 camera drones for different types of pilots, from simple beginner-friendly models to more advanced options with stabilized 4K cameras, GPS, intelligent flight modes, and longer flight times. Whether you're buying your first drone or looking for something more capable for aerial content, stick around as we count them down from number 5 all the way to number 1. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Potensic Atom SE, a compact GPS drone that packs a surprising amount of capability into a lightweight, foldable design. At just 249 grams, it's easy to carry around, especially if you want a drone for travel, outdoor adventures, or casual aerial photography. The camera uses a Sony CMOS sensor and can record 4K video at 30 frames per second, while the electronic image stabilization helps keep footage smoother during normal flights. One of the biggest advantages of this Fly More combo is battery life. You get 3 batteries providing up to 93 minutes of combined flight time, plus a 60-watt parallel charging hub that can charge all 3 batteries together. For beginners, the GPS positioning and automatic return-to-home feature add some extra confidence. You also get beginner, video, normal, and sport flight options, with sport mode reaching speeds up to 16 meters per second. Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight give you more ways to capture creative shots. The transmission range is rated at up to 4 kilometers, although real-world range can vary depending on interference and flying conditions. The main limitation is that stabilization is electronic rather than a full mechanical 3-axis gimbal, so demanding cinematic shooters may want something more advanced. Overall, the Atom SE looks like a solid choice for beginners and casual pilots who want long flight time, 4K recording, GPS features, and a portable design. Pros. 3 batteries provide up to 93 minutes combined flight time. Lightweight design with GPS and automatic return to home. 4K recording with useful intelligent flight modes. Cons. Uses electronic stabilization instead of a 3-axis gimbal. Maximum transmission range depends heavily on flying conditions. Micro SD card is not included. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the DJI Mini 4K, a lightweight camera drone that feels especially well suited for beginners who still want smooth, high-quality aerial footage. At only 246 grams, it stays compact enough for travel while giving you a capable 4K Ultra HD camera. The real standout here is DJI's 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Instead of relying only on electronic stabilization, the gimbal physically stabilizes the camera, which helps create smoother footage while flying, turning, or dealing with light movement in the air. Flight control is designed to be approachable. You get one-tap takeoff and landing, stable hovering, GPS return to home, and DJI's QuickShots, including Drone, Rocket, Circle, Helix, and Boomerang. DJI also advertises up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission under supported conditions. Level 5 wind resistance helps the Mini 4K remain stable in winds up to around 38 kilometers per hour. The included battery provides up to 31 minutes of advertised flight time, so longer shooting sessions may require additional batteries. One inconvenience for Android users is that the DJI Fly app currently needs to be downloaded directly from DJI rather than Google Play. Overall, the Mini 4K is a strong option for beginners who prioritize portable size, reliable flight controls, and genuinely smooth 4K footage. Pros. 4K camera with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Lightweight 246-gram travel-friendly design. GPS return to home and useful quickshot modes. Cons. This package includes only 1 flight battery. DJI Fly is not currently available through Google Play. Real-world transmission distance depends on conditions and interference. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the Loiley 2K HD FPV Drone, a compact option designed mainly for beginners who want something simple, portable, and easy to learn. The drone comes with a 2K HD camera that can be adjusted up to 90 degrees remotely. Once you connect your smartphone through Wi-Fi, you can see a live FPV view while flying, which makes framing photos and videos much easier. For new pilots, the controls are pretty straightforward. You get 1 key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment, and optical flow positioning. That last feature helps the drone maintain a more stable position, especially when you're trying to focus on getting a shot instead of constantly correcting the controls. It also supports fun features like 360-degree flips, which adds a little entertainment once you're comfortable flying. Another useful point is portability. The drone folds down to around 5 by 3 by 2 inches, making it easy to carry in the included travel bag. You also get 2 rechargeable batteries, providing approximately 26 minutes of combined flight time. Just keep expectations realistic. This is more of a beginner-friendly recreational drone than a professional aerial photography system. Overall, the Loiley is a practical choice for first-time pilots who want simple controls, a 2K camera, and a portable design without making things overly complicated. Pros: beginner-friendly controls with optical flow positioning. Includes 2 batteries for about 26 minutes combined flight time. Foldable design with an adjustable 2K camera. Cons: camera resolution is below 4K models. Designed more for casual flying than professional footage. Wi-Fi FPV performance can depend on surrounding interference. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo, and this one brings a much more advanced camera setup without moving into a heavy drone body. It weighs just 245 grams, but carries a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor capable of shooting 48 megapixel photos and recording 4K HDR video at 30 frames per second. More importantly, the camera sits on a 3-axis gimbal, so footage should look noticeably smoother during movement. For content creators, there are plenty of useful shooting options. You get 2.7K vertical video, 4x digital zoom, P-log, panoramic shooting, slow motion, dolly zoom, cine roll, and QuickShots. AI tracking also gives you spotlight, follow, and parallel modes for keeping a subject in frame. Another highlight is the included PTD1 controller. It has a built-in 5.5-inch Full HD touchscreen, meaning you don't have to rely on your phone every time you fly. PicSync 4.0 supports transmission distances of up to 10 kilometers under suitable conditions, while the 3 included batteries provide up to 96 minutes of combined advertised flight time. You also get GNSS positioning, automatic takeoff and landing, cruise control, and smart return to home. The main limitation is that some of these advanced modes may take beginners a little time to learn. Overall, the Atom 2 is a strong choice for creators who want stabilized 4K footage, long flight time, intelligent tracking, and a dedicated screen controller in a sub-249-gram drone. Pros: 4K HDR camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. 3 batteries provide up to 96 minutes combined flight time. Dedicated 5.5-inch Full HD touchscreen controller. Cons: advanced shooting modes can take time to learn. 4K video is limited to 30 frames per second. Maximum transmission distance depends on local conditions. Number 1. And taking the number 1 spot on our list is the PLEGBLE PL515, a lightweight beginner drone focused on simple controls, portability, and casual aerial shooting. The PL515 features a listed 4K camera with image stabilization and a 90-degree adjustable lens. You can also connect through Wi-Fi for an FPV view, letting you watch the camera feed from your phone while flying. For beginners, the controls are designed to stay manageable. Altitude hold helps the drone maintain its height, while adjustable speed settings give new pilots some room to build confidence. It can also perform 360-degree flips when you want something a little more playful. PLEGBLE uses brushless motors, which generally provide better efficiency and durability than traditional brushed motors. Another useful feature is the anti-lost alarm, giving beginners an extra warning system during flight. This package includes 2 batteries, with up to 32 minutes of combined advertised flight time. The foldable body and included carrying case also make it easier to take outside. Keep in mind that the listed maximum control range is around 100 meters, so this isn't designed for long-distance flying like some of the more advanced drones on our list. Overall, the PL515 makes the most sense for beginners who want an easy-to-carry recreational drone with straightforward controls, multiple batteries, and a camera for casual aerial content. Pros: brushless motors with altitude hold assistance. 2 batteries provide up to 32 minutes combined flight time. Foldable lightweight design with carrying case. Cons: maximum listed control range is only about 100 meters. Camera stabilization is not a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Better suited to casual flying than advanced aerial filmmaking.